Hello everybody, welcome to the training video for metallurgical image analysis system. In this video, we will be covering the 2D measurements module. This is for basic 2D measurements like length, distance between, area, angle, radius, diameter, perimeter, etc. or distance between any two objects. So basic 2D measurements can be done through the 2D measurements modules. We are going to cover how we are going to do the measurements. You can open any image where you want to do the measurements. Go to measurements, 2D measurements module. You will get this dialog. There are several ways you can do the measurement. There is a toolbox where you can define your line, you can define an open curve, a closed curve, angle, circle, rectangle, point, etc. You can define these boundary objects and find the distance between these objects. You can find a distance between line and point, or line and a circle, or between circle and circle. So you can find an angle, or between a line, circle and point, etc. Or you can do a manual measurements, like you select I am going to measure the length, and this is the length. Or if you want to measure a radius, if you have a circle objects here, you can create a circle with 3 points, calculate the radius of that, and it will give you the result here. Or if you want to measure diameter, same process. If you want to have a circle object, you can create a circle with 3 points, it will give the diameter of that. Similarly, area, you can click the mouse and just slowly move around any profile or feature. If you do it fast, it will give some issues. Otherwise, if you move it slow, so it will find the area of this contour. Or if you want to find an angle, you can find the angle between the objects. An angle object, so you can create an angle. Three points, so you can move around and get the angle. So this way you can directly define any objects like a circle or a closed curve area or a distance between points and find out the 2D parameters. Or you can create lines, and you define a point here, and you're saying I am going to find the distance between this line and the point. So these are the different ways you can do the measurements, and these basic 2D measurements, and you just directly can create the report with that. Okay, you need to go in detail and experiment with the different features that we have. Basically, it is either you can directly measure it, or you select the distance between. So you have two options to find out the 2D measurements. Thank you.